Ready?
Hiram has been learning about money in his class, and Hiram's going to talk to us about money. And this is December 2010. Okay.
A penny is worth 1 cent.
Hold it up to me so I can see.
And it's Abraham Lincoln.
Who is Abraham Lincoln?
He's the sixth president.
16th.
16th president.
And how many pennies in a dollar?
100.
How many pennies in a quarter?
25.
How many pennies in a dime?
10.
10. Okay, show me what's your other money that you have there?
Nickel and it's worth 5 cents.
5 cents? Who's on there?
Thomas Jefferson.
What president is he?
The
Third
president.
And what's on the back?
Monticello.
Monticello? Oh, we'll get it in a minute. You know how come they have Monticello on the back?
Since it's, that's where you lived, then you named it.
Oh. How much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
5 cents. And where did Thomas Jefferson live again?
Monticello.
You're getting to be a smart boy. Love you, Hiram.
How you do?
You're worried about that nickel, huh?